It's 4:30 in the morning, January 10, and we are here at Catholic Church, over 24 hours after the beginning of the procession of the Black Nazarene. History has been made as for the very first time, the image of the Black Nazarene will temporarily stay at San Sebastian Church. This was announced after the traditional luau, or the meeting of the image of Our Lady of Mount Carmel and the Black Nazarene. Now, it is never really clarified when will the image of the Black Nazarene stay at San Sebastian Church and when will it be returned to its own home here at Quiapo Church. Some of the hijos told us that the reason why they initially wanted the image of the Black Nazarene to stay at San Sebastian Church temporarily was because the andas, or the carriage that will transfer the Black Nazarene across the streets of Manila, has been broken. It's 4:57 a.m. and some of the hijos del Nazareno, or those in charge of safeguarding the image of the Black Nazarene, told us that a last-minute decision has been made to bring back the Black Nazarene right at its very home here at the Quiapo Church.
Makikita natin ang pag-uwinig ng anak, ang pag-uwi ng anak sa kanyang nanay. Walang masisindang kasiyahan ang ating nararamdaman. Kaya ina, ito na po ang inyong ating hari. Kayo mula po ay magsama, kayo mula po ay magdasal para sa amin na mga deboto ng inyong anak na si Jesus. Kaya po, mga deboto, kapatid, habang ilahatid po natin ang ating mahal na po Jesus Nazareno, itaas po natin ang ating mga kamay at sabihin natin, mahal na po Jesus Nazareno, ito po ay makakapiling ng inyong ina.
The hijos del Nazareno are now preparing the Quiapo Church as the image of the Black Nazarene will now make its way home. After the announcement, some of the devotees continued to line up here outside Quiapo Church, and we spoke to some of them to ask about how they feel about this new change.
Nakadismaya din kasi ang akala namin nandyan. Akala ko din dyan kasi taon-taon ako nandito nakabang sa kanya eh. Ngayon lang nangyari. Baka dismaya rin sa amin na naghihintay. Hindi na tinuntangan ang daming tao. Kahit meron ang kapansanan. Kasi pista niya talaga, nakaabang talaga ako. Ngayon pa nangyari na wala siya.
Ilang taon na po kayong deboto na eh?
Dahil na.
Hindi niyo na po mabilang.
Oo, simula kadating ako dito sa Manila, naging diputo ko ng Nazareno. Dito ako binigyan niya ng pagkakataon na makatrabaho. Kaya diputo ako sa kanya kahit hindi ko alam may pasok pa ako ngayon. Kasi alam ko, bigyan niya ako ng lakas. Makita ko lang, mapasilayan ko lang siya.
Pero hindi niya po nakita na huli?
Hindi ka nakakita namin sa screen lang. Akala namin nandyan na.
Wala pa.
Yung pala wala. Masakit sa amin, ma'am. Tignan mo mga tao na